Hello, everyone. Hope you guys are having a fantastic time out there, wherever you guys are. This is Jeffrey from Practical Hunter FX. It is the 15th of August, 2023, and the time here in India is 10:56 p.m. All right. We celebrated our Independence Day today, the 15th of August, and wherever you guys are right now, I sincerely hope that you can be completely happy and grateful with this beautiful thing that you have called life. And I have an interesting piece of analysis to share with you guys today. But before I go to that, let me give you guys a disclaimer that trading in the financial markets is a very, very risky business. And there is a high chance you could lose a lot of money trading. So do not use whatever we show in this video as a trading advice. It is not an investment advice. It is not a trading signal. It is completely for educational purpose. And I sincerely hope you guys get to learn anything from it. Remember, if you trade, the responsibility is completely on you, and you cannot hold us responsible for the losses that you make. Fine. Now that we have the disclaimer out of the way, let us get to the analysis. So we are looking at the gold against dollar chart. This is the 1 minute time frame. Let me move to a higher time frame before we continue. So we had a news at 6 p.m. here in India. That's close to the beginning of the US session, right? The late London session and the beginning of the US session. We had this news, and price made a gorgeous move to the downside, went back up again, came back down, went back up again. Really good looking moves. And I'm sure that you guys were excited to see this move. I hope you guys were as excited to see the moves as I was, because it was quite fun to watch the price making certain moves. Now let's get to the analysis part. I'm going to go to the daily chart. Now, before I continue further, I should give you guys a piece of information that might help you guys with the analysis I'm going to make. When you spend years looking at the chart, you pick up these certain market behaviors. You pick up an instinct for the market, and sometimes you notice these glitches in the matrix. That's the best way I can describe this. And on that note, I do have a sort of a prediction to make on what the price is going to do tomorrow. So let's say that, so this is a daily candle, and let's say that this candle closes as a bearish candle. Okay. Then I believe the chart will make a drastic move to the downside and make a really good move to the upside tomorrow. Now let me go back to the 15-minute time frame to kind of give you guys an idea about how that move might be. So I do have a few levels here, which I've marked based on some of my criterion, and say that the daily candle closes bearish. Okay. Say that the daily candle closes bearish. Let me go to the hourly time frame again so that I might be able to give you guys a better idea. What I believe is somewhere in the late afternoon with respect to Indian time. Okay. So probably after 3 o'clock in the afternoon, that's 3 p.m. Probably after that, what I expect to see in the market, let me see if I can find a tool to help you guys see what I'm saying. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, somewhere around here after 3 p.m., I believe the chart will make a really good move to the downside. Okay. Forming a nice wick or something like that, and then move up. Now, why do I say this? Like I said, when you have spent enough time in the market, when you have done your research, you do find these glitches in the matrix. So I believe we can see a move like this somewhere in the late afternoon tomorrow. It can happen. It may not happen as well. But price is like that. it can do whatever it wants to do. So yeah, this is the kind of move I'm hoping to see tomorrow. I'm not going to share this video with you guys today because you might take it as a trading signal, and that is the last thing I want. Okay, let's see what happens tomorrow. And one day I sure hope I can give you guys a complete idea of how I make analysis like this. All right. Once again, it's been an absolute pleasure discussing this with you. Hope you guys get to have a fun time wherever you are. This is Jeffrey from Practical 100 FX signing off. Good day and Godspeed.